Everybody, Matt here for Leighton Sports Cards Ripping. This is on the fly 2022 Topps Chrome Baseball Hobby 4-box break number 3 random divisions. Here's another look at the random results. All right, here we go. Good luck. Let me get these other boxes out of the way. All right. Here we go. Last time we did a four hobby box divisional. Pulled the J-Rod Orange Refractor Auto. Let's see if we have some more Magic and Topps Chrome Hobby today. This is Dylan Carlson, Prism Refractor. Trent Grisham Refractor. Beebs. George Springer. I know, right? Bobby Witt Jr. is getting his own collection. No. Rosarena. There's a Juan Soto refractor. Soto fractor. It's a proper name for it. So we do have a couple more on the flies posted right now. There's Garcia. This is Prism Refractor. Javier Baez. Lubob. Let's see where we're at on those. Oh, is that what the Crown Collection is? There's Brian De La Cruz, rookie refractor. Probably going to end up scrapping that museum tier 1 3-box mixer. We don't have any spots filled in it. There's Seth Beer and rookie auto John Heasley. That is AL Central. Heasley and Moncada. Oh. All right. It's a Topps thing, right? Yeah. It's Jazz Chisholm. Casey Mize. Yachty. There's Julio Urias, Prism. Theory. Machado. This is /99 green refractor game used jersey Freddie Peralta. That is NL Central. You go NL Central. Gonna throw some sleeves down here, I guess. Soto. Alonso. Justin Turner. McCormick. Mookie. There's Cole Calhoun Prism. Jared Walsh. There's Zach Pop, rookie refractor. All right, come on, big hit. That is Brewers. Purple refractor, rookie auto. Aaron Ashby. That's NL Central. 2 Brewer hits in the box, including that relic. Juve, Miggy. Bieber. Jaron Duran rookie and Ronald Acuna Jr. Purple Speckle for the NL East. $2.99. Yeah, it is. I saw something about that in the Breaker group chat, but I had my hands full last night. I was if I had my hands full, I mean I was had my hands full of PlayStation 5 controller. I was crushing my kid at Madden. There's Walker Buehler Prism. So I didn't really follow the storyline. Keep Brian Hayes. Yelich. Was he just trolling or? Freddie Freeman. Alonso, India. Oh, damn. Hater. Rivera. There's Franmil Reyes Prism. Joe Adell. Let's fill up that iMac Baseball 2-box random divisions. We have 3 to go in it. Really good price on that. $125 a spot. Yeah, $1,800 seems way cheap. That is AL West rookie auto Jose Siri. We have Prism Baseball releasing on Friday. Keep your eye out on the website for there's O'Neill Cruz rookie. Vidal Brujan rookie 87. I'd be down for that, Rips, but right now we have a lower cost one. I don't even know if we have any 5-star in stock for personals or for breaks or anything. Yeah, I don't blame you, Mike. But yeah, we're not. There's Mike Yastrzemski Aqua Refractor. The 3-box mixer that we have right now that has Museum and Tier 1 in it isn't moving, so probably not going to change up the format. Probably just going to scrap that one. There's Eloy Prism. I actually posted it thinking that would be the first one to fill, so it's hard to tell from one day to the next. Yeah, we have iMac Baseball divisions halfway there. There's Kelenic. Jeff McNeil, and this is to 350. Magenta Speckle. Hoyt Park rookie. Miggy. There's Mike Trout, 87. Yeah, I can do the math and see what it would. I mean, basically, it would be the price of 2 boxes divided by 6 on the jumbo. Would be probably a couple hundred a spot or something. There's Luis Garcia. I think we're in the 600 range, 650 on 22 jumbo. It's Austin Meadows Prism. Mike Trout Refractor. Come on now. Let's see a big hit. That's AL West. Rookie auto, Chas McCormick. Lance Lynn. Gavin Sheets, rookie 87. Jordan. Last pack, box 2. Arenado. All right. Halfway through, we need something awesome here. Let's see where we are on personals. Just 2 personal boxes in queue. It's Jose Ramirez Prism. Cody Bellinger. Tyler McGill. Might end up being a very, very early day. Pete Alonso. Trey Turner. Julio Urias. Ramirez. Jarren Duran, rookie. This is Prism Refractor, Andrew McCutchen. Skill. That is NL Central rookie auto, Alfonso Rivas. Bryce Harper. I think it's supposed to hit today and tomorrow and Thursday. I don't know. I was watching the Weather Channel. I think the inclement weather anyway is going to be starting tonight, maybe. There's Vlad Jr. refractor, Vlad Fractor. Yeah, I don't know. I'm stocked up. There's Lucas Giolito, Aqua Wave. So we're inland. We're in Central Florida. We'll still get hit with some bad weather, but not like the coast. But there's Kyle Tucker. Yeah, and the town I live in is like a half an hour from here. And I tried to get gas this morning, and no gas stations in the city that I live in have gas right now. There are just signs on the pumps that say out of gas. So yeah, I don't know. I have plenty of water, plenty of non-perishable food. Trevor Rogers' fingerprints or something all over it. George Springer. But I did find a place a couple miles down from the shop, that a gas station, that I was able to fill up. So yeah. Lou Bob. Already kind of gone over the emergency plan with the kid in case we have to take shelter. There's Edward Cabrera, rookie Prism. So yeah, that's all I can do. Just be prepared. Nobody in my neighborhood was boarding up any windows or anything, so I didn't go to that extreme. Yeah, I've lived down here over 3 years now, and I've not actually experienced a hurricane yet. There's NL East rookie auto, Zach Thompson. It's got some print lines going across it. Just one numbered auto so far. We need something really low numbered in that last box. Matt Olson. Been kind of dud boxes so far. There's Verdugo. Shane Bieber. All right, here we go. Yeah, not even a Wander base yet. All right, last box. We're going to finish with a big low-numbered Wander auto for you here, Chris. I'm hoping. All right. Let me see where we are on those on the flies. Man, those two are super bowed. This is to 350. Magenta Speckle, Alex Bregman. There's Mike Trout, 87. There's a Wander New Classics rookie insert. Correa. All right, come on now. We need a big hit. Brandon Lyle, Harper. Yeah, on the right track anyway. There's Jack Flaherty Prism. There's a Zimmerman Refractor. O'Neill Cruz, rookie. You go NL Central. Freeman. Jonathan India. There's Zach Lothar, rookie refractor. Devers. Jarren Duran, rookie. Sammy Long, rookie prism. It's Austin Riley, Zach Pop. Alex Bregman prism. Still looking for our first hit. Nice. Rookie. Refractor. Wander Franco. There you go, AL East. Finally a Wander. Good centering on that, too. It's good to me, anyway. I don't have the best eye for grading, but I can't even hang a picture up straight. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, he definitely has some amazing skills. It's just a matter of that's NL Central rookie auto, Aaron Ashby. Just a matter of being able to execute those amazing skills on a consistent basis. You know, you can't. I mean, nobody cares if you can throw across the diamond 97 miles an hour if you're like as a fielder, if you're hitting, you know, 175. Gavin Sheets. I'm not sure what his average is now. I think he's picked it up a little bit, but I do think that he definitely has potential. Yelich. There's Vlad. Come on, let's see something big here. There's Contreras prism. That is AL West rookie auto, Yanni Hernandez. Vidal Brujan, rookie 87. Yeah, you better tread lightly if you're talking about Vanilla Ice. So apparently Vanilla Ice performs all over here. And I absolutely would go see Vanilla Ice. I would watch Vanilla Ice perform in the rain. Nice color coming. Let's see a big name. Let's see a good card. That is NL Central. Gold Wave to 50, Josh Hader. Nice Gold Wave. Sammy Long. All right, well, no way to sugarcoat that. Not a good 4 boxes. Let's do a recap. We had that Josh Hader Gold Wave to 50. Wander Rookie Refractor, probably nicest card in the break there. NL Central, that's Jersey Green Refractor to 99, Freddie Peralta. AL West Rookie Auto, Yanni Hernandez. NL Central Rookie Auto, Aaron Ashby. NL East Rookie Auto, Zach Thompson. NL Central Rookie Auto, Alfonso Rivas. AL West Rookie Auto, Chas McCormick and Jose Siri. AL Central Rookie Auto, John Heasley. And our only numbered auto of the break was NL Central Rookie Purple Refractor Auto to 250, Aaron Ashby. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. More personals are coming up.